Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I am here with my kit for my December Do You Want to Build a Journal for the Junk Journal Challenge in December. So I have my items. I am still putting together a little bit, and some things might change out. So we have our recipe right here. So I have, I chose for my hat or my cover this piece of fabric that was sent to me. It was Happy Mail. I believe it came from Joyce. And I have the wallpaper. So I chose fabric and wallpaper. And I'll be putting my 5 collaged items on there today. That'll be a separate video. Okay? So, next, I have my face. So I have my 8 eyelets. I have 8 eyelets here. Yeah, so there's 8 eyelets. There's my 8 buttons. And here's my 8 paper clips. I will be trading this out. I do have a mermaid tail that I'll be trading that out for. So there's my face, my 8 eyelets, my 8 buttons, and my 8 paper clips. Okay, so next we have, I'm going to put this over here so that it doesn't get ruined. A package of guest checks. It is missing the ones that I have. I've also put together 3 mermaid kits. Oh, by the way, my theme is mermaid. I need to make a mermaid journal for a gift for Christmas, and so I've chosen this Michael's paper pad. For this challenge, you're to pick out a paper pad, and then we're going to be using that in several different ways to make our journal and to make our embellishments. So this is the paper pad that I have chosen. And then I have enough for 3 mermaid kits. So at the end of this video, I will show you what I have in the kit so far. It is going to include pages from that paper pad as well. So my index cards, I chose these striped index cards from CVS. And there are, so that I can have a whole package. I can have a whole package of envelopes. I can't find the rest of them. They're here somewhere. I had them earlier today. But here's the 4 colors. So there's one of each color. And so you may see me find some more of those. This is my package of doilies. I'm going to be using the silver doilies. These are from the bakery section at Michael's. They also come in gold. One of my favorite things to use. I got this notepad at Ben Franklin. And so this is one of my 3 note papers. This is my next note paper. And it has the little fish. And then this one, it actually has 2 notepads. And that counts. If you buy a notepad and it comes with 2, like at Hobby Lobby, it counts as 1 because it's 1 package. However, I have misplaced the other one while I was making the kits. I have set it down, and I didn't have time to keep looking for it. So you're going to see it's going to come back. It's a square. I'll show it to you when I show you the kits. But that counts. If you pick up one of these notepads at Michael's and it has 2, it's a package. It counts. So, and then this was a package of tags. I've used a bunch of the tags in the kits. So this is what's left. And so there we go. So you get to use your cardstock. This is the ephemera part or embellishment part. It's the middle of your journal, your snowman. And so in this, there are some cut-aparts. And so you're going to use these in your middle. Okay, so there's this, and then there's another one that has like 4 6-inch pieces, this one. And so that one is also part that you're going to be able to use in here. And it says cardstock. You're going to be able to use cardstock to make your tags and to make other things. And we're going to be going through that and ways to use up, or maybe not use it up, but the different ways to use the different types of papers. And I'm talking about the design-wise. The different ways that they design paper with, you know, borders and things like that. And so I'm going to be using them in different ways. So hopefully that will help you use up your paper pads. Here are my 3 napkins. That one, this one, and this one. So I have 3 napkins. Now there's only one mermaid. The rest is just the shells. But look at this great edge that I'll be able to use to fluff and fold. I think that'll be really cool. So next is my 2 sticker sheets. I have this one from Dollar Tree. It only has a couple of mermaids, but I really liked all the fish. I think that is going to make this journal fun. So my other sticker sheet is this one, and it is from Dollar Tree. And I just think it's absolutely adorable. I think she's going to love this. And yeah, so I have that. Then I have my 2 blank stickers, and that's because we're going to be building stack of stickers. So that is that there. Then I have my first choice. These are the 2 washi tapes that I picked out. This one has, I guess I can take it out now, huh? It has happiness. There's a mermaid, joy, seahorse, kiss, a starfish, dream, and then it goes on and on. Happiness. Can't tell where here's where it starts. Anyway, I picked this up at Dollar Tree. I was pretty excited because I was going to make this for my my second Dollar Store Junk Journal Challenge. And I got, I had that and this, and I mean, I could have done it, but I didn't have time. Okay, so I'm deciding between this really cool, this one's from Dollar Tree, this one's from a set, and it has shells, but it has all the colors. So I have to decide, and so I haven't decided. This one for sure, and then I have to decide between those 2. And then my bling, I have this one, and I've used a few off of it. That's okay, but I thought it looked like bubbles. So I thought that one would be kind of fun to use. And then this one with all the different colors and the pearls, I thought that would be a great bling sheet. And so that is my midsection. So let's go ahead and put it all in here so that it doesn't get compromised. That's my husband's word. He says that. It's been compromised. Okay, so next we have our body. So our main part down here. And so we are going to use 10 pieces of cardstock. So you're going to go to your paper pad and you're going to pick out 10 pieces of cardstock. And obviously, I mean, I pretty much think she's going in there. I just think this paper pad is beautiful, and it's going to be a lot of fun to use. So I'm going to pick 10 pages from there. And then I have my, my 10 lightweight pages. I have these 2 scrapbook lightweight pages. So I had a couple people ask what the difference. They thought, cardstock was cardstock, like blank scrapbooking paper was called cardstock, and it has to do with the weight. A cardstock would be the weight of a card. And this is lightweight. This is like paper. It's actually a little heavier than just like copy paper. But they do, like, you know, your single page papers, scrapbook paper sometimes will be this weight. And then they have several amazing paper pads that you can pick. And I picked out these two because this one, I thought of the bubbles, and I really like the colors. I wish there was purple in there, and I might be able to fix that, but it's okay. Then I have this decorated copy paper with the dots, and that is from Dollar Tree. I have this purple paper with the dots. You see the dots? Kind of got a thing going here. And then I have, so that's 6. So I have 4 picture type copy paper. So it's a little bit thicker than just regular copy paper. The person that's going to get this gift, she draws, she's an amazing artist. She's 11 or 10 or 11. Amazing artist. So I wanted to make sure she had space to draw. I actually will be doing my 2 signatures and doing a 3rd signature that is just drawing pages and putting it in, hopefully, Traveler's Notebook style with a rubber band. After this is all done, I'll be adding that. So I was going to do something totally different for this, but I need to get this journal done for the gift. So there you go. So this is parchment paper. It's it's 1 sheet. So I'm going to be using this. This came from Hobby Lobby, and it might have been on clearance. Then I have my 2 pages of the Mermaid Tail journal. I have my coloring book page, my lined paper from Composition Book. And I accidentally, when I was doing stuff, I tore this apart, but it is 1 page. I'm just going to have to put it back together. All the kits also have one of these, and you'll see in a minute they're all 1 page, but I ripped mine. Ledger paper. And ledger paper. And graph paper. So those are the papers that I'll be using, along with the paper pad. So this is my kit so far, and as you can see, the only thing I didn't go over is our little snowman has a scarf, and it's our tassel and charms, and that will be going over Friday in the mini challenge in the challenge. So stay tuned for that. The really cool thing is it's going to include lace, trim, yarn, ribbon, and tulle, or a combination of those. And you're going to be able to use a certain amount for the rest of your journal. So that's pretty exciting. And yeah, so watch for that on Friday. So if you're still here, I'm going to show you what is going to be in the mermaid kits so far. Oh, I need to put these in my box. Don't want to lose any of my stuff, right? Yeah, so on Friday we'll be adding ribbon, lace, yarn, trim, and tulle to your stack of stuff that you can use. Okay, so this one. Oh, this is my, like, what the heck? No, that's my paper. Okay, so in the kit, you're going to get a mermaid stylo pen. Okay, you're going to get 2 each of the lined index cards. You're going to get 3 or 4 silver doilies, and a white doily, and a mint doily. You're going to get 2 of these cards, and they are double-sided, so you could cut them, and they are, looks like mermaid scales. You get 4 guest checks. You get the papers similar to what I'm using, so 2 purple, a ledger, 2 composition, 2 dot, a little ledger, This is your guest book page, not broken. A couple of white envelopes, and this dancing water paint chip. Dancing water paint chip. And then this, and you get the stickers from Dollar Tree. And yours, it will be cut so that it fits in the packaging. But you will get those. And a wallpaper. Then you get these mermaid cards. These mermaid die cuts. I mean, it's just, you can just take and stick those in a pocket. Or they can be decorative. I mean, they're going to be fun to work with. Napkin. This card that says make waves. You're going to get the purpley color and the teal and the cards that go with it. This is the other note paper that goes with this note paper. Okay? When I find it, I get to use that. Okay? So, and you get like 4 or 5 of each of the note papers that I'm going to show you, and there's quite a few. So these ones, there's 2 different mermaid girls. You are mermazing. You get this one. You get like 5 of those. You get tags, 3 of each. 5 of those. I mean, this will make a great writing journal, I think. 5 of these, 5 of these, 5 of the fish, 5 of this one. You get the colorful stack of blank stickers. You get Christmas mermaids and unicorns and polar bears. You get a sheet of the parchment paper. Did you already get some of these? You get 4 total of the mermaid tail papers. You get this mermaid card and the envelope to match. Okay, so that is what I have so far. And I still have another box of stuff to go through. Plus, you'll get the yarns and some beads and things for the charms and tassels. You get a mermaid tail paper clip and all of that. And it will be available tomorrow. I will make the announcement. I will put it up on Etsy, then make the announcement and scrap all about it with Dear Julie. Because I announce the kits in there first. And I will tell you the time and everything in the group there. So that is what we have so far. I think it's going to be really fun. I cannot wait. Now I got to go make the cover because it is, although it's the 3rd? It's the 2nd. It's the first day of my Do You Want to Make a Journal? It's my first day to make one. So I'm going to go make a cover. So I will put the information for the December Do You Want to Make a Journal, Junk Journal Challenge down below. My Etsy shop is also down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Thanks for being here. Bye. Bye-bye.